In today's video, you learn how to pronounce the Lithuanian consonant ha, ha, and the digraph ha, ha. And these are the sounds they make: h, h, and h, h. This may sound very similar. However, can you hear the difference? Well, there is one major difference. When pronouncing the sound h, h, you are using your voice. Your vocal cords are vibrating, but the sound h, h is voiceless. Humoras, humoras. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Hobis, hobis. Choras, choras. Helsinkis, Helsinkis. Chaosas, chaosas. Havana, Havana. Halatas, halatas. Praha, Praha. Chameleonas, chameleonas. Herojus, herojus. Charakteris, charakteris. Honda, Honda. Jachta, jachta. Hamakas, hamakas. Bachas, Bachas. Hollywoodas, Hollywoodas. Šachmatai, šachmatai.